Have you got an old PDF that you need to actually work on? Well, Google Drive gives you a great facility to actually grab the text out of a PDF, or in fact an image, and make it editable even. So here we are in my Google Drive. I'm in my folder, and I've got this PDF that I've uploaded simply by clicking and dragging into my drive. Now, of course, normally we would just double click on it and it would read it. But here's the trick. Right click on it instead and we get open with. And you'll see here I've actually got Google Docs as an option. As I click on that, it actually opens it up in Google Docs for me. So it's going to become a word processing file. And here it is. It may not be perfect, but here is all the text, and you'll notice that I can click on it, I can select it, I can do whatever I want to it. So this is a really quick and easy way to grab the text from, in this case, a PDF that maybe you don't have the original document for. Let's go back, because don't forget I said you could do this with images. So here are a couple of images. You'll notice I've got a JPEG and a PNG. They're the same document, but again, all I need to do is right click on it, open with. It gives me various options, but I'm going to choose Google Docs, and it opens up, creates a new document for me, and it's a blank background, but here's the text, and again I can make changes to it, I can do whatever I want. So this is a really useful feature that lets you work with images or PDFs that you need to work with the text itself. Hi, I'm Michelle. This is your quick tips, and hopefully you like this video. Please give it a thumbs up down below, and of course don't forget to subscribe to the channel for notifications of any future videos.